Today is a teacher dimension tool. It's used to mark lines or angles and can also be annotated. Find the tool and add it. Selecting it displays 6 options in the tool info bar. Linear dimension. Click 2 dots. It can only be labeled horizontally and vertically. Right-click to finish. Right-click on the mark to change what's displayed. Not take it. Edit information in the guide. Click on it and all sides have the same information. Click OK to finish. Click Option System Setup. Fonts. The main font to set the font size. Write the number and click OK to finish. You can use an eraser to remove the marker. Align dimension. Click 2 dots. It's moving parallel to the 2 points. Right-click to finish. Length dimension. Right-click on the line. It moves parallel to the line. Right-click to finish. Angle dimension. Click on the vertex. Click on the ends of the 2 lines. Determine the angle. Right-click to finish. V-shape dimension. Click on 2 dots. Move the mouse into position. Right-click to finish. Ladder dimension. Right-click to draw a line. Right-click to end. Write the text. Click on it so that all sides have the same text. Select the text location. Click OK to finish. Thanks for watching.